Hello fellow YouTubers, today we're here to map out Arcaden.
Hello.
So you start right there on the SAS team, you go this way. You have this mall where you can break through here. You can actually hide in here. It's a good camping spot. You need to hide here. You can camp, shoot
They're
there.
pretty women.
You go in, and you have this open space. You've got the mall, another good camping spot. Good camping spot up here, where you can shoot through there. And the escalators. Let's go back over here first. You have all these shops basically. Well, they're not. You can't hide in them because they're like that. But you have the escalators, and you have this downstairs area. If you turn right, you have this. If you go this way,
This is the fitness spawn right back here.
if you go this way, you actually come right out back to where you were. So let's go back down that way, just so you can see it from this view. There's Mist, the leader of the Mist Evolved. I am Esau the Great, the leader of Esau the Great.
Nothing.
I encourage you to check out our YouTube channels. We we have some cool videos on there. So you're over here. You just came out of there. You're walking. You can come in here. Sort of like a Bed Bath and Beyond. So you come through here.
That's for sure.
Come right there. I apologize for the poor video quality. We're currently trying to fix that with something that'll capture our gameplay footage, but until then we have to use a regular camera. You have this area over here.
Fresh
You can
helicopter.
actually come in through here and go through this little dining area, back through here. And if you realize, we are back to where we started. Thank you so much. We might do a little bit of a gameplay for you, just to let you
That's
try to
not-
get the feel of the map.
Well, that's not fun. You just waste all my ammo.
As you can see, we're still over here. Thank you again, and enjoy the rest of your day.